This is Tuck with Tuck GC. We are in Alexandria, Virginia. We just finished up a concrete pour. I'm going to make this video quick. We're going to come back in about 2 weeks after the other contractor does some portico work and we do the stone work up there by the walkway. But I wanted to shoot a quick video while the concrete was still wet, right after you poured, and then you'll see it again in about 2 weeks when everything's done, after the curing process is most of the way completed. So I'll make this video short and sweet. We demoed and prepped everything yesterday and then poured the front walkway up there yesterday late in the day, and then today we laid down the 14 yards on the driveway. Now you'll see this driveway has a unique shape with some curves in it. It gets from wider up top to skinnier at the bottom, and we tried to make the control joints look nice and aesthetically pleasing. I'll walk up the side. We took here on the front and we did even spacing coming off the street, so these are all even squares. When you go around the radius up here, we kept the same distance on this side and then split the distance on that side. Looks quite nice. And then up top here on this section, that's a 27 by 19. We just divided that evenly between the 6 pieces. Pay close attention to how good that broom finish and those joints look. Whenever it's wet, you see every single imperfection, and it looks pretty dang good. Once this dries and cures, it's going to look fantastic. Now, like I said, we poured this yesterday. You can see the little step down 2 inches there, clearance for the stone. We're doing a natural clef Pennsylvania flagstone on this entire walkway. Beautiful lines on it. Again, they have another contractor doing the portico. We came in before he started his work because the door here is new and all this trim is new, and the previous threshold was above the door and they were having water go into the house. So we said, before you do all this work, let us come in, at least cut and place the stone threshold, which looks absolutely fantastic. And this is the same stone that's going to go on the stoop. We're going to do a nice border around it, around the edges, nice thick thermal stone here on the tread, and then the Pennsylvania flagstone in the middle. That's Coyote Gray in the ashlar cut. It's kind of like the squares and rectangles in a regular pattern on the vertical stone, and that's what's going to go on the edge of the stoop and the vertical risers on the steps. So we're looking good. I will come back in a few weeks and shoot the other video, and by then the driveway will be nice and cured, all the stone will be in place, and this project will be complete. So give us a call for any of your concrete work or stone work. This is what we specialize in, and we'd be happy to give you a bid on your project as well. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.